चलिए गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू एवरीवन. Yesterday we completed the chapter Dholi. I hope everyone enjoy it. Did you enjoy? I have unmuted all of you. You can speak. Did you enjoy the story or not? Is my voice audible? मेरी आवाज आ रही है? यस सर. तुम लोग बोलते क्यों नहीं हो? तो मैसेज क्यों कर रहे हो? आई हैव अनम्यूटेड यू, तो व्हाई यू पीपल आर नॉट स्पीकिंग? तुम लोगों ने नहीं बोलने का कुछ सोचा है क्या? आप मैसेज क्यों कर रहे हैं? मैंने आपको अनम्यूट कर दिया. अब सब लोग अनम्यूट हैं. देखिए अनम्यूट है या नहीं आप? हाँ, तो जहाँ पे बोलने की जरूरत है वहां पे लिखने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. आप अनम्यूट है तो आप बोल सकते. तो मैंने पूछा कि कल जो हम लोगों ने चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया, भोली द सिंपलेटन, वो सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है? ठीक है. नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, एनी वन ऑफ यू, is there anyone who can narrate the story in his or her own words? आप में से कोई है जो स्टोरी को नरेट कर सकता है? मैंने तो स्टोरी सारी बताई आपको. क्या आप अपने लैंग्वेज में स्टोरी को नरेट कर सकते हैं? वेरी गुड. हु इज गोइंग टू नरेट द स्टोरी? Of course, why not? But I will request you to on your video. And please, have you on your video? Aryan, yes, you may start now. Yes, good, good, carry on. December. Hmm. Yes, 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 carry on, carry on. Carry on, carry on. 1 minute, 1 minute. His name was not Bimbisar. His name was Visambhardas. Visambhardas. Yes. 5,000. 5,000. He is a greedy person. He is a greedy person. Is over. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. Anyone more who wants to speak? Everyone is welcomed. Who is the next one? Srishti. Srishti, will you narrate the story? Don't remain silent. If you don't, then say no, sir. Don't hesitate. Why you people are so shy? Okay, if anyone wants, raise your hand. If anyone wants, raise your hand yourself. I am not compulsing anyone. You are the student of class 10 and you are not able to speak a few lines on the screen. What you will do? And what is need of hesitation? See this boy Aryan Raj, how confidently he spoke. It was looking much better. Any student from section E or F, you are welcomed. No one? Chaliye. You know very well, God helps those who help themselves. If you yourself don't come forward, no one can make you speak. And every time you will be facing same type of sign situation of shyness. Anyway, I think some parts of hack driver was remaining. Am I right? Okay. So today we are going to finish that one also. The little bit part which was remaining, I will complete it too. So this is the figure of hack drive. And while teaching you hack driver, the remaining part which I didn't tell or it was left, we are going to complete it. today. So listen to me carefully. As you know, the hack driver who was helping the young lawyer, he was charging some money also, but he was helping him everywhere to find Lutkins. But they were not successful in that. Wherever they went, they returned empty handed, and they came to know that only a few minutes later, before he left the place. After that, they resumed their search for Lutkins, but he was not to be found anywhere. Will cornered a friend of Lutkins and made him admit that Oliver had gone out to his mother's farm. Anyhow, that hack driver searched this information or received this information that Lutkin would have gone to his mother's house. So he suggested the lawyer to go there. But that was 3 miles far and it was in the direction of north. Anyhow, they went there to find Lutkin's mother was there, and there they met an enormous and cheerful old woman. Enormous means big in size, साइज में बहुत बड़ी. तो लुटकिंस की जो मदर है वो साइज में बहुत ही बड़ी है, विशाल है. They asked her about Lutkins, but she said that she knew nothing about him. उसको उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है. And she threatened them with an old-fashioned iron. और वो उनको धमकाती भी है कि यहाँ से भागो, नहीं तो ठीक नहीं हो. And don't disturb me because she has no any information about her son. वो उनको डरा के भगाती है वहां से. They got out of there and secretly searched the house, but Lutkins was not there. वो वहां से भाग जाते हैं अपनी जान बचाकर. But again they entered the home secretly to find Lutkins, but Lutkin was not there. Lutkins वहां नहीं था. It was nearly time for the lawyer to catch the train. अब उसको लौटने का वक्त हो गया, शाम होने वाली है, and he could not succeed in finding, so he had to return his home. Bill drove him to the station. वो हैक ड्राइवर जो है उसको स्टेशन तक लाकर छोड़ देता है. द लॉयर पेड हिम एंड काउट द ट्रेन टू द सिटी. उसने जो पैसे कहा था वो उसने उसको दे दिया और खुद वो सिटी लौट आया. जब वो लौटा तो देखिए क्या हुआ. ऑन हिज रिटर्न जर्नी, प्रिंस राज ई में है कि एफ में है? ई में है. चलिए ठीक है. तो वेन ही रिटर्न, the lawyer did not think much about his failure on serving summons to Lutkins. Rather, he was busy thinking about Bill Magnuson. जब वो अपने जर्नी से लौट रहा था तो वो बहुत ज्यादा चिंतित नहीं था कि उसको ल्यूटकिंस नहीं मिला. Rather than that, he was happy to think that he met a very energetic and helpful person. Means that hack driver, whose name was Bill Magnuson, जिसने अपना नाम बिल बताया था. वो उसके बारे में सोच रहा है कि कितने अच्छे व्यक्ति से उसकी मुलाकात हो गई. He was so in awe of him that he started considering returning to New Mullion to practice law. He pictured an honest and happy life with simple people in this small town. इस आदमी ने इसको इंस्पायर कर दिया एक सीधा साधा जीवन जीने के लिए. एक छोटे से शहर में उसको लगता है कि उसका जीवन काफी अच्छा है. He always thinks to lead such type of life. वो भी खुद इस तरह का लाइफ जीना चाहता. However, his seniors were not happy with him. लेकिन जब वहां पहुंचकर बताता है कि he returned empty handed, his seniors got angry. And the case was coming up the next morning and they had to have Lutkins at any cost. केस जो है अगले सुबह उसकी सुनवाई है और उनके पास लुटकिंस नहीं. वो क्या जवाब देंगे? His angry chief ordered him go back. With him went a man who had worked with Lutkins. और जो चीफ थे, जो हेड है वहां के, वो बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हुए और उन्होंने उस यंग लॉयर को कहा कि तुम तुरंत अभी जाओ और उसको तुम ढूंढ के लाओ, उसके बिना तुम आ भी नहीं सकते. और उसके साथ उन्होंने एक आदमी को उसके साथ भेजा जिसने किसी जमाने में या किसी समय में ल्यूटिकिंस के साथ काम किया था, तो उसके तौर तरीकों को जानता है, उसको ठीक से पहचानता है। उस आदमी को उसके साथ भेज दिया। बेचारा क्या करेगा, जूनियर आदमी है, उसको आना पड़ा। When they arrived at the station, they found Bill and Lutkin's mother talking and laughing there. जब यंग लॉयर उस व्यक्ति के साथ दोबारा वहां पहुंचता है तो क्या देखता है, वो हैक ड्राइवर हुज नेम वाज बिल, ही वाज टॉकिंग टू लुटकिंस मदर। उस महिला के साथ, उस लुटकिन की मदर के साथ, जिसने उनको कभी भगाया था, काफी हंस हंस कर बातें हो रही। The lawyer pointed Bill out to his companion and said that the fine fellow helped him to find Lutkins. यंग लॉयर ने अपने साथ आए हुए इस व्यक्ति को दिखाया कि वो देखो, वो बिल को दिखाता है, वो बहुत ही अच्छा आदमी है, he is a very good person because he helped him a lot in finding Lutkins. But he could not find, this is a matter of chance. लेकिन उसने अपनी तरफ से कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ा, उसकी बहुत मदद की। His companion then said that Bill himself was Lutkins. उसका कंपेनियन ने कहा कि जिस बिल की तुम बात कर रहे हो वही तो लुटकिंस है। द यंग लॉयर वॉज डम्फाउंडेड। बेचारा उस लॉयर की तो हालत ही खराब हो, उसके मुंह से तो आवाज ही नहीं निकल। He then served summons on Lutkins. When he served the summons, Lutkins and his mother laughed at him. उसके बाद वहां पहुंचकर उन्होंने उसको कोर्ट का वो ऑर्डर दिखाया, उसको दिया, और लुटकिंस और उसकी मदर हंसने लगे। Then they begged the young lawyer to go with them to a neighbor's house for a cup of coffee because when Lutkins told them about him, they wanted to meet him. They were the only folks that missed seeing him on his previous visit. उसके बाद वो लोग जो है उस यंग लॉयर को रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि उनके पड़ोसी के घर में चलें और एक कप कॉफी पिए, क्योंकि जब लुटकिंस ने वो सारी घटना अपने पड़ोसी को बताई तो वो लोग भी ऐसे इंसान से मिलना चाहते हैं। तो ऐसे इंसान कहने का मतलब कि एक महामूर्ख इंसान, कि जिसको ढूंढने आया है उसी के साथ वो घूम रहा है, मगर वो उसको वो ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा है। अब इससे ज्यादा और बेवकूफी की बात क्या हो सकती। तो इसलिए वो उसको रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि उसके साथ चले और एक कप कॉफी। तो हेयर द स्टोरी इज कंप्लीट। यहाँ पर स्टोरी खत्म हो जाती है। इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? हाँ। So now I am going to ask you some questions and you will reply. Why did Lutkins and his mother laugh at the narrator in the end? अभी अभी मैंने बताया, आपको बताइए। No any answer? Because both of them had befooled the narrator. क्योंकि उन दोनों ने मिलकर नरेटर को मूर्ख बनाया था। साधारण सी बात है। चलिए, now the question goes to you. Yes, yes. Do you want to say something? हाँ, बोलो बोलो। Oh, तो when he showed Bill to the companion, मैंने आपको बताया ना कि जब वो वहां गया तो उसके साथ एक आदमी को साथ में भेजा गया दोबारा। नेक्स्ट टाइम वन पर्सन केम विद हिम हु रिकॉग्नाइज्ड लुटकिंस वेरी वेल, जो लुटकिंस को पहचानता है। तो द कंपेनियन हु केम विद हिम, द नरेटर टोल्ड हिम showing the hack driver that he was a very good person because he helped him a lot in finding Lutkins. Then the companion who recognized Lutkins very well told him that he is himself Lutkins. समझ में आई बात? हाँ। तो वो कंपेनियन जो है वो लुटकिंस को पहचानता है। तो जब उसने कहा कि देखो उसने बहुत मदद की, तो उसको कहता है वो क्या मदद करेगा, वही तो लुटकिंस है जिसके साथ तुम ढूंढ रहे हो। तुम उसी को ढूंढने आए हो, उसी के साथ ढूंढ रहे हो, तो कैसे मिलेगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन गोes टू यू. What job did the narrator of the hack driver, the story hack driver में नरेटर जो है वो क्या काम करता है? Did he like his job? क्या वो अपने जॉब को पसंद करता है? He is satisfied with his job? No. What does he want? What does he want? Actually, he wants to lead a simple life. He is bored up with city life and city people. Okay, why was the young liar was sent to the village New Mullion? Good. Next question goes to you. How did the hack driver, listen to me carefully, how did the hack driver befool the lawyer? Is my question clear to everyone? Please try to answer. Mhm. Good. Very good. Okay. What was the reaction of the chief when the lawyer returned empty handed? What was the reaction of the chief when the lawyer returned empty handed? खाली हाथ लौटा. Is my question not clear to you? क्वेश्चन क्लियर नहीं है क्या आपको? हेलो, क्वेश्चन क्लियर हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा? तो आंसर कीजिए आप. What was the reaction of the chief when he returned the lawyer? The lawyer returned empty handed. Mhm. Yes. Okay. Describe the describe Lutkin's mother. Describe Lutkin's mother. Lutkin's की मदर को describe. Yes. She was also as cunning as Lutkins. She knew all the game. In spite of that, she performed her role very well, and she did not the narrator move. about the fact that she knew it very well where the Lutkins was. The Lutkins was always with the lawyer. In spite of that, no one told him that the person whom he wanted to search, he was always with him. Even the mother also did not expose this matter. And in this way, the narrator was befooled by Lutkins' mother also. लुटकिन की माँ के द्वारा भी उसको मूर्ख अच्छे से बनाया गया है ना.